Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a regex tutorial on freeCodeCamp. Check for all or none. Sometimes the patterns you want to search for may have parts of it that may or may not exist. However, it may be important to check for them nonetheless. So we have this question mark, and you can specify the possible existence of an element with a question mark. So this checks for 0 or 1 of the preceding element. You can think of this symbol saying that the previous element is optional. So we can look at this example. Let American equals color, let British equals color with a U. So if we're having a regex with color and this U, there's a question mark after the U, so this U is optional. So this one test will be true, and this will also be true because this is optional. So for this exercise, it wants us to change the regex, fav regex, to match both the American English favorite and the British English favorite version of the word. So we can change this. We can just copy this because we're testing it in the regex. And now we have a U here, and we can put the question mark after the U. And now if we console log it, it should be true. Great. And that's all for this one. Thank you so much.